Okay, Ernest. Alright, this is all the superstars. This is the Mario Party Superstars. You win. This is the Minecraft. This is the train sim. This is train simulator. This is Among Us. This is Fortnite. This is Call of Duty. This is Lego games. This is PBS Kids game. Yeah, you got in trouble for Roblox at school. Woohoo! I caught Mario Party Superstars. Congratulations. And go to Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Woohoo! Yay! I caught Among Us. Congratulations. I caught Mario Party Superstars too. You are big enough. Yay! I got train simulator. You guys are so tiny. Woo! I caught Minecraft. Congratulations on Minecraft. I caught Zelda. Alright. I caught Nintendo Sports. Okay. I caught Ring Fit Adventure. Good, right? I caught Lego games. Good. Play your Lego sets with games. Yay. I caught Among Us. Good work. Yikes. I caught my Whopper games. Oh no. I caught my Roblox. No. Barrett, why you got Roblox? That's it. You grounded forever. Go to your office right now. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm gonna pull the fire alarm at school. Oh no. There's a I'm gonna get here. I'm so tired. How was it school today? I put a fire alarm at school. Barrett, why you put fire alarm at school? That's it. You ground for 95,999 years. Forever. Go to your room now. Look at that 12. I'm thinking myself. Come on, good night. Oh no, not the dinosaur guy. Please give me right, Please give me right. Oh, thank goodness that's over. Yep, this is all this one. Oh, good night to me. There we go. Hey, someone make me escape. The SpongeBob! Get back here! I eat the amtrak. I eat beer with the breakfast. Very near. No, stop me now. What's that? Do look at me. Do look at me right there. Oh, thank goodness. I just saw a nightmare. What's going on?